Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer Budiman from Petra Christian University Surabaya, Indonesia. Today I will present a research journal entitled The Effect of Good Corporate Governance on Firm Value with Environmental Cost as Moderation Variable. This presentation will be categorized into 6 discussion points. The main purpose of establishing a company is to obtain maximum profit for owner or investors through company value. A high firm value can be profitable for investors, so that this benefit can attract investors to invest their capital in the company. Firm value can be influenced by good corporate governance because the result of the study state that the implementation of maximum corporate governance indicates that the company has good performance and will be an added value for potential investors, so that it has a positive impact on firm value growth. However, the research is inconsistent because there are contradictions. It can be caused by other factors, one of which is the issue of environmental awareness. Good corporate governance is closely related to environmental disclosure. Environmental awareness is a part of corporate governance and is a way of corporate responsibility that is disclosed through information about the environmental activities. Companies that pay more attention to the environment can improve investors' perceptions or view of the company so that firm value will increase in line with the good environmental management activities. However, good corporate governance is still one of the weaknesses for the most companies in Indonesia. For example, the crisis that occurred in the late 90s and the current case of mining company in Indonesia. In addition, the weakness of corporate governance is shown by the ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard assessment released by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Over the years, the Otoritas Jasa Keuangan or OJK, which is Indonesia domestic ranking body, has conducted the ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard assessments of the 100 issuers with the largest market capitalization in each ASEAN country. Through this research, it was found that in 2018, Indonesia increased by 0.3% from 70.59 in 2017 to 70.8 in 2019. However, this growth did not experience a significant increase unlike other countries. The concept of agency theory states that action taken by management or agent in a transaction affect the assessment of investor or principal, but the principal cannot monitor this action. The condition of the company is only known by management, so that investor must have a strong trust relationship with management. This theory is also related to good corporate governance, which is a set of rules regarding the company's responsibility to investors. Effective implementation of good corporate governance will help minimize conflict of interest, increase investor confidence, and improve company performance, which can affect company valuation. Environmental disclosure is one of the corporate governance and effort made by management to increase investor confidence, so that investors are interested in investing to the company. Next, we will discuss the variables and hypotheses. A high good corporate governance score indicates that the implementation of corporate governance in the company is carried out better. Companies with good corporate governance show a good management system so that it can improve investor assessment. This is because investors believe that there is equal treatment for the other investors, so that investors do not hesitate to invest their capital to get a fair return. Therefore, a high good corporate governance score indicates that the company has implemented corporate governance well and can increase firm value. So the hypothesis is formulated: good corporate governance has a positive effect on firm value. For the second hypothesis, investor decision-making on investing in the company is seen through various aspects, one of which is the company concern for the environment. The disclosure is through the cost incurred to overcome environmental damage. If companies want to increase their firm value, then management must pay attention to social and environmental issues. This is supported by research conducted by Putri, that the increase in firm value occurs along with the amount of environmental cost and expenditure and disclosure in the annual report. Therefore, the increase in firm value due to the influence of good corporate governance with high environmental costs is stronger than companies that incur low environmental costs, so that the second hypothesis can be conclude environmental costs strengthen the relationship between good corporate governance and firm value. This study used a quantitative approach by collecting panel data and recording information in accordance with the variable to be studied through the company's annual report from the official website of the Indonesia Stock Exchange. The population of this study are companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange and the LQ45 index for the period 2018 to 2022. 56 companies were obtained as a sample of this study using purposive sampling, which has 3 criteria. The model used in this study is moderated regression analysis in the regression equation, so that the regression equation formula is found as shown on your screen. This is the descriptive statistic of this research. For the firm value variable, which has been measured using Topinski formula, the average is 2.1, and it means that there is 2.1% of the company's market value of all assets, and the company has good growth prospects. Good corporate governance, calculated based on the corporate governance index, gets an average of 73.9, and it means that the company is considered to reliable in carrying out the company operational activities. Environmental costs with the symbol BL, which are calculated through corporate social responsibility activities, get an average of 0.09, and it means that the company spend 9% of CSR costs from their net income. Based on the result of hypothesis testing as shown in the table, it is found that the good corporate governance has significant negative effect on firm value. It means when the company implements corporate governance better, the firm value decreases, so that this result reject the first hypothesis. The negative effect is related to the COVID-19 from 2020 to 2021. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a considerable impact on the world, especially Indonesia, such as a limitation of people to work, the worsening economic condition of the country, and the drop in stock price, which has made investors sell shares on a large scale, thus affecting stock price in Indonesia. The impact of these problems make the firm value drop. The company has tried to improve corporate governance in the hope that firm value will increase, but in reality, the COVID-19 pandemic is an external factor that inhibits the firm value growth. Based on the result of hypothesis testing as shown in the table, it can be seen that the interaction between environmental costs and the good corporate governance has no effect on firm value, so that this result rejects the second hypothesis. Environmental cost is a factor that is often not responded by investors in making investment decisions. This can be because investors have different strategies in making investment decisions. Investor characteristics often avoid investment with a high level of risk. This causes investors who prefer medium-term investment that have lower risk and get high returns. Meanwhile, environmental costs are more focused on long-term benefits, so they are not in accordance with their medium-term strategy. Based on the result and analysis of research, it can be concluded that the good corporate governance has a negative effect on firm value. This is due to the influence of COVID-19 as external factor that inhibits firm value growth. In addition, environmental costs do not moderate the influence between good corporate governance and firm value. This is due to difference in investment decision-making strategies. Investors tend to make a medium-term investment, while spending on environmental costs is focused on long-term benefits. Suggestion that can be given through the discussion above, that is, companies can implement corporate governance in accordance with existing regulations, so there is expected to increase firm value. Investors can consider corporate governance as one of the factors in making investment decisions. For future researchers, they can continue this research in the future after the COVID-19 pandemic, which is an inhibiting factor of this study in order to get more accurate research results. In addition, researchers can examine other moderating variables that can affect the relationship between good corporate governance and firm value. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.